Okay, so what happened here today, unfortunately, the customer had a 50-gallon water heater under warranty, went bad. Okay, so they called, got the authorization number, brought it back to Home Depot, gave them this paperwork from it, and they loaded up a water heater, put it on a cart, customer brought it home. We as the plumbers put it in, as you can see, it's already installed, now we're uninstalling it. And because Lowe's gave us a 40-gallon water heater instead of a 50, so Lowe's screws them up. We get to work extra now for a quarter of the money that we should be getting. But that's the way it goes. Sometimes the bear eats you, sometimes you eat the bear. Later.